students. I hope you all are doing good at home. Dear children, tell me, are you maintaining your notebook? The students who are maintaining their notebook, very good. Keep it up, beta. And it's my humble suggestion, who are not maintaining their notebook, please maintain it on time. Do your homework, do your learning work as well as written work on time. Dear students, who is this? This is William Blake, who has written the poem A Laughing Song. William Blake was an English poet, painter and a printmaker. He was largely unrecognized during his lifetime. He was born on 28 November 1757 in London and died on 12th of August 1827 in London. He wrote a beautiful poem about nature. A Laughing Song is one of the beautiful poems that is written by William Blake. Laughing Song written by William Blake. Here the poet invites all the readers. Who are the readers? We, you, whosoever is reading this poem. Here the poet invites all the readers to laugh and be merry. He describes the natural beauty of woods. Woods means jungle. Stream. Stream means a narrow river. And he describes the beauty of air. Green hill. He describes the beauty of meadows. Meadows means a grass, a field that is covered with grass. He describes the beauty of nature. So let's have the look on the video of A Laughing Song. Let's start the poem.
When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by.
When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by. What does it mean? Green woods, it seems like that the green forests are laughing and they are expressing their beauty, they are expressing their laughter by the voice of joy. And the dimpling stream. Beta, dimpling is an adjective of stream. Stream means, as you can see on the screen, this is a stream. Stream, it's a hollow river that has water. So a stream, a dimpling stream runs laughing by. It also runs and it is expresses its laughter and it is showing its dimple on its face. For example, whenever some person used to laugh, they might have a dimple on their face. So same with the stream, it seems that it is also laughing and it is expressing its dimple. Next is,
when the air does laugh with our merry wit.
Here the air is also laughing and it is expresses its laughter by its wit. Wit means humor. Here we can see the beauty of air also. It runs by, it is expresses its merry wit. Merry means it expresses its happiness, its humor. Next is,
and the green hill laughs with the noise of it.
And the green hill laughs with the noise of it. Green hill means a hill that is covered with greenery. So green is an adjective of the hill. It is a describing word of the hill. It seems like that green hill is also laughing and it is expresses its laughter by a noise. Next, go ahead to the next stanza.
With lively green.
When the meadows laugh with the lively green. Here the meadows are also laughing by. Meadows means a field that is covered with greenery. A small field. So where cows used to graze. So meadows are also laughing. Here totally the poet expresses his imagination. So the meadows are also laughing with the lively green. It is also showing its greenery and it seems like it is also laughing by. Next is,
and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene.
And the grasshopper laughs. Grasshopper, it's a grass-eating insect. It is also laughing by and it is expressing its happiness by the merry scene. By this scene.
when Mary and Susan and Emily, with their sweet round mouths, sing, ha, ha, hee.
Here are three children who are expressing their laughter, their happiness. They are singing a chorus song of ha ha he he. But a chorus, it's a song that is sung after each verse. So they are also expressing their laughter. They are enjoying the song. Here the poet invites all of us to join this chorus song and be happy and enjoy the beauty of nature. Let's go ahead. This is the next stanza.
When the painted birds laugh in the shade.
What a beautiful painted birds. Beautiful painted. Painted means it's a bright colored bird. They are also laughing by. They are also expresses their feeling of laughter in the shade. In the shade means in the shadow. They are also laughing. Next is
where our table with cherries and nuts is spread.
Where one table is lying and one bucket is there, it is full of cherries and nuts are spread here and there.
Come live and be merry.
Come live and be merry. Here the poet invites all the reader to come and join this chorus song of ha ha he he that three children are enjoying.
Join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha he.
So this is a song of ha ha he he. The poet is inviting all of us to join him and enjoy the beauty of nature. In the last scene, you can see the painted birds who are sitting on the branch of a tree, and the three children, they are also enjoying. They are also expresses their laughter, and the stream, it's also expresses its laughter by a dimpling stream. We have given the adjective as a dimpling stream here. And the meadows are also here, a field that is covered with greenery. So here all the natural beauty there expresses their laughter, their feeling of joy in their way only. So this is the poem. Better read this poem once again, and I am going to show you one more video and you can recite the poem. What you have to do, what is your homework? You have to read the poem once again and write down word meaning in your fair notebook and do the textual question answer which I have sent you earlier also in your fair notebook, and learn it also. But you should know here are some rhyming words. Rhyming words. What do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are words which are having similar sound. So similar sound words are called rhyming words. For example, in this poem, in first stanza, joy by. When we are pronouncing these two words, they are also having the same sound, joy by. In next stanza, the rhyming words are wit, it. And in the next stanza, the rhyming words are green, sea. So you have to write down these rhyming words in your fair notebook. Okay, beta. Thank you so much. Bye, all of you.
When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy, and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit, and the green hill laughs with the noise of it, when the meadows laugh with lively green, and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene, when Mary and Susan and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing, ha, ha, hey, when the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nuts is spread. Come live and be merry, and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha, ha, hey.